First of all, you can see Malaysia's e-visa on your screen, which is a single entry visa. Okay, this has been issued to one of our Pakistani brothers. Okay, you can also see its category. Okay, their passport number, visa number, all these things are written here. Okay, and in which category it was received, how long is its validity. Okay, all these things are visible on your screen. Okay, how to apply for this visa, what are the requirements, all these things will be told to you in this video. So first of all, you have to go to any browser and type Malaysia e-visa. I will pin this link in the description and comments, you will get it from there. Okay, as soon as you click on it, you have to click on sign up here. Since you won't have an account, you first have to create one. It's a very easy process. So for your account, first of all, you have to enter your given name here. Okay, as soon as you enter the given name, then after that you have to select your country of nationality. Okay, enter your passport number. I am entering a dummy one here. You have to enter your actual passport number. Okay, after that you have to select your gender, select your date of birth, and then click next. As soon as you click next, it will ask you for your local address. Okay, you can enter your address in Pakistan. If you are from India, Bangladesh, wherever you are from, okay, enter the postal code. You will enter your address here. Okay, select the city, and after selecting the country, you have to click next. So it's a very easy way to create an account. Okay, as soon as you click next, it will ask you for a contact number. So you will enter your contact number here and write your email address. See, you have to write your actual email address because the verification goes there. Okay, and after that you have to enter this security captcha. Okay, you have to write YFZXBF. Okay, and after that the email address doesn't look valid, so we'll write the email address again. Since I'm entering a dummy one, that's why it is not accepting it. So anyway, write the security captcha here, and after that check the box for I have read terms and conditions or I agree to terms and conditions and click register. Your account will be registered, and then you have to log in by going back to the login page with the same email address. Okay, so as soon as you enter your email address, it will send an OTP to it. Okay, so we'll enter that email address. Okay, so the OTP will come to our email address. Okay, after the OTP arrives, you have to enter that OTP right here again, right? Okay, click send OTP. The OTP has arrived, but before the OTP, you have to enter the password here that you set while creating the account. So we'll enter our password, and we have to enter the OTP here that has come to our email address, and after that sign in. Okay, after signing in, just click apply now. This terms and conditions page will come. You have to agree to it. Okay, after agreeing to this, okay, go down and agree to it. If you want to read it, you can click on visa without reference. Okay, after clicking this, see this simple form. First of all, it is asking you for your passport photo and personal photo. These two things should match. Okay, as soon as these two things are uploaded, it will fetch the data automatically. If you want to edit it, you can. Then you have to select single entry for visa type, and from here you have to select social. Okay, and enter the passport number written on your passport and paste the same in front of it. Okay, after that you have to enter the passport's issue date and expiry date. It fetches them automatically, but if you want to change them, you can also change them from here, and it's a very easy process. There is not much difficulty in this. Okay, after that it is asking for the address in Malaysia. So the hotel booking you have done, or if you are staying with a host, you have to write that entire address here. Okay, so whether you are going to Kuala Lumpur or wherever you are going, you have to write those details here. Similarly, your local address, okay, the address in Pakistan, you have to write that here. So I am writing a dummy address here. After that, when you click next, it asks again if you have a previous passport, then enter that, otherwise upload the same passport here. Okay, this is the documents page. Here you have to attach documents. So ticket booking, hotel booking, you have to upload all these things here. Okay, the things you have. Similarly, you have this, see, proof of paid accommodation. Okay, you have to upload the accommodation details here. Hotel booking, okay, upload it here. After that, it is asking to upload the bank statement you have. So upload your bank statement, and in other documents, after uploading FRC, MRC and these things, click next. This is the review page. Review it from here. If you want to edit it properly, you can edit it, and after that, otherwise check this box and click next. After that, the payment page will come, and you have to pay these Malaysian ringgits that you see. Inshallah, you will pay and your visa will arrive. Remember me in your prayers. If you like the video, then definitely like it. Jazakallah khair.